How to make $1 million online in 2 minutes. In this video, I'm going to attempt to tell you how you can make $1 million in 2 minutes. This is going to be challenging for me, but I'm not going to take too much of your time and dive straight into it because I'm not the person to just go around in circles instead of telling you how to do it. First step, you create a YouTube channel, a podcast, a blog, something in a niche that you really enjoy. Make sure that you enjoy that because you're going to have to do that over and over and over again. Make sure that your niche has some affiliate offers, some product, something that you can sell, because if you can't sell anything, it's not going to help you out. Number 2, focus on creating value rather than making money. I know that this video is how to make $1 million, but if you focus on money, that's not what's going to happen. You're not going to make any money. So make sure that you bring value to people instead of focusing on money, because otherwise your product, your videos, everything is going to be really bad and everything's going to suck. So if you want to make money online, make sure that you focus on something else, which is giving value to people. If you do this over and over and over again, you're going to gain some subscribers, some people that go to your blog, some followers if you're on Instagram or on Facebook. But keep in mind that this will take you months or years to make this happen. So keep doing this consistently, even if everything sucks and you're not making any money, because this is why most people quit, and you don't want to be one of these people that quits and then leaves nasty comments on people that are actually creating the content. So make sure that you're not one of these people and keep creating content even if you feel like everything sucks. Once you gain all these subscribers and those followers and everything like that, you want to listen to their feedback, because people are going to give you feedback. They're going to say, I have this issue with that, my stomach isn't flat if you're in the workout niche, something like that. And what you're going to do with that feedback is you're going to create a product that's going to help them out. And that product you're going to sell. And people will buy that product because of the relationship that you have with them and because you solved their issue. So, once you've done that, just rinse and repeat. Just do that process over and over and over again. And the more value you give to people, the more subscribers you will gain, the more fans you will gain, and the more customers you will gain. Therefore, that's how you're going to make money instead of focusing on the money. So, to recap, create some content on a platform: YouTube, podcasts, blogs, and I believe these are the 3 ones. Focus on creating value rather than making money, because that's how you're going to make some money. Once you have some followers and people that comment on your content, make sure that you listen to them, listen to what they have to say. Then the next step is you create that product around what they have to say. Then you rinse and repeat, and then you are a millionaire. So, I know it sounds easy, it's not, trust me. I've talked about this a lot in my other videos, so make sure you check these out. But this is the basic stuff, and I wanted to keep this under 2 minutes, and I'm not sure I succeeded, but this was the goal of this video. So, I'm bringing out videos every single day, so make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment on what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.